Special Occasion speech by Alexander Mackinnon. I have brought forth today a poem about my grandmother and her astonishing resume on the events and accomplishments that she has gone through in her long life. Even though we will not know of what she'll do next, what it is that I truly know is that we'll be surprised of what will come in the future. And here's the poem. Must seem out of the blue that you have turned 92. Well, good for you, but you're not nearly through. Many friends gather to congratulate you and ask, what will you do? You laugh and giggle and shrug some too. It seems so abrupt and out of the blue. You say, when I close my eyes, I feel just like 22. Back when I didn't know the things I would do, that I live in Washington and New York too. Be the belle of the ball, yet would wear no shoe. I dated a financial tsar and a bombardier too, danced the night away and dragged home past two. Raised children and I felt like I lived in a zoo, never listened to anyone and did what I wanted to. Married a Yankee from Syracuse, how the years flew. Had three boys and a little girl too. Accomplished the great things I wanted to do. You can be sure that I'm not yet through. Perhaps I'll arrange a little rendezvous. You never know what I might do. Could be dancing or romancing too. What's next I choose, I might not tell you.